Hey everyone, Nakulia from Skills PT Academic. I'm back with day 22 of the video series Learn PT Fill in the Blanks with Nakul. I really hope you have solved all the previous one. If not, check the information in the description. All the previous videos links have been shared. If you're looking for an online course for NATI, PT or IELTS, any point of time you can send us a mail or text us in the WhatsApp for the information given there. So today I've got a drop down, fill in the blanks, and let's see if you can get 5 in this. Well, I really hope you guys have solved this. Well, each and every blank has a clue, and if you got that clue, probably within 1 minute, you definitely can solve this. So if you've seen my previous videos, I've highlighted the technique of bottom-up approach. Even for this, you have to go with the same because the answer for this, considering you have already read it, you have already taken 3 minutes to understand the paragraph. I'm telling you, considering that, I'm directly shifting to the last paragraph. Bewildered and worried means confused. Right now, the only thing she felt was she was confused. Why she was confused, you should know. You have read it. I suddenly had unexpected. She's not even expecting that flamboyant success for a work I thought was only fairly good. She thought his work is okay, not to that level, and it got her flamboyant success. So she was confused. Getting it, so the first one, the answer lies in the last line. If you have seen my previous videos, you would have known what bottom-up approach is. You should have just done that, leaving it empty and solving it. And towards the end, when you come to the word bewildered, you would have gone back and selected the word confusion. Here the clue is but. So every line has a clue here. The word but will tell you to use a contrasting character, contrasting nature. She thought the work was solid, but Work was solid. If the work is solid, it should have attained tremendous amount of success, but it resulted in little commercial fame. Not high, but is opposite. So it's little commercial fame. Only thing she felt was confusion. Only thing she felt was bewilderment. You don't say only thing she felt was bewildered. She was bewildered. She did not, she felt was bewildered. You don't say. Okay, forgot to highlight that. You don't say she felt was bewildered. Getting it? She was bewildered. So the only thing she felt was confusion. So little. A musical show that enjoyed nearly that enjoy you enjoy a failure, is it? No way you enjoy success. Moments of failure that nearly enjoyed the entire show. No, meaning they're talking about that enjoyed instant success. Enjoying is success. Again, one more clue. The next one. But the success of Oklahoma confused her, bewildered. All these words lead to the word confusion. But the success of Oklahoma confused her. She thought that her work on Oklahoma, she thought the work is success has confused her. So she thought the work was not up to the mark. She thought the work was excellent than, better than, excellent, better. They all probably come under the same category. A, B, C, Z. So Z is the answer. Getting it? Her success was only average. The entire context is she thought that particular part in Oklahoma was not that great, but it got her all the success. So she was confused. The success was, success confused her. She thought that her work was only average compared to some of the other creations. She later said, after the opening, I suddenly had unexpected, flamboyant success for a not for only a fairly good amount of performance. After years of neglect for work, I thought was fine. I was bewildered. I was worried that my entire scale of values, I cannot trust whatever the characters I have done. I thought they were all good, but they were not. And now I thought this is not good, but it was. I cannot trust all this scale of values. My entire scale of values was honest, arduous means difficult, challenging. They're not talking about how challenging it was, how difficult it was. They're not talking about honest, they're talking about being untrustworthy. Because she couldn't believe, she was confused, she was bewildered, she was worried that it was. So worried is another clue saying the last word should go with a negative effect. She was worried that it is untrustworthy. She was worried that it was honest. You will not worry for being honest, isn't it? You're worried that entire scale of values was untrustworthy. Like I told you, for the very first one, confused her, bewildered, worried. This is the clue. So the answer is confusion. Second one, but is the clue. So answer is little. Third one, enjoyed is the clue. So answer is instant success. Fourth one, it confused her. That has to be the clue. She thought her work was only average, but it got her success. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The last one, she was worried that her entire scale of values were not trustworthy, untrustworthy. So first is confusion, second is little, third is instant success, fourth is only average compared to fifth is untrustworthy. So here if you've got, let's say 0 or 1 or let's say 2, this is a pure context base and completely contributes marks to your writing and reading both. So here if you got very less score, your writing and reading both will be less than 60 in your exam. Trust me on this. So work towards it, take a novel, start reading it, things will fall in place. Well, if you've got 5 to 5 year, then probably you should be ready for the exam. Fine, guys, saying this on a positive note, we will park it here. I'm going to come back with day 23 of the video series tomorrow. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.